guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you're joining me in my kitchen and we're going to prepare a green drink for you. However, this green drink is very healthy. As you can see, I am brown sugar and I'm always sweet. However, I'm going to up a little bit of the sweetness today for this healthier choice. This green drink has ingredients in it that lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, help fight infection. It's good for cancer. If you want to lose weight, if you're stressed, it's a good colon cleanse, and it has all the vitamins and minerals in it that you need. It gives you a little bit of protein and carbohydrates as well. However, this green drink has ingredients in it that's celery. It's alkaline your body, and once your body is alkaline, it helps to fight infection, mucus, and all the bacteria in your body, and that is good for cancer and if you're diabetic as well. So please, it's a healthy choice, losing weight, relaxing, a healthy drink on an everyday basis. So come and join me, guys, in my kitchen, and we're gonna make this drink together. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Brown sugar as always. Please come on and join me in my kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. And also today I'll be making a green drink, and all the ingredients will be in the description below. A bit in my kitchen, I'm going to show you how I blend my green drink. Here I have spinach, I have celery and dandelion, and I have kale and cucumber and some ginger and some apple for flavor or taste. If you want to up the apple, you can use pineapple or any other fruit just for taste. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I have here. So this is my blender right here, and I'm going to put a little bit of cucumber, apple, a few little pieces of ginger, kale, and I'm going to put a little bit of dandelion. You just break them apart, put it in, spinach, my celery. You can just break it apart or you can cut it in small pieces, whichever you like. That's all in there. And then I'm going to add water. There you go. How is that? And then I'm going to blend. You're going to blend until it becomes smooth, and then you can strain it. There you go. Look at that. Also, what I put in at the same time is a little tips of honey, just for flavor. You don't have to use honey if you want. You can just drink it like that, but a sweet tooth person, so I'm going to put some honey in it, and just a quick little blend again, and then you just strain it. There you go. And that's my green drink, and I'm going to strain it. Okay, so here I have my strainer, and I'm just going to pour a little in there like that. You want to make sure you get everything out of it. So this green drink is very good. Good for inflammation, bladder infection, good to lower cholesterol, high blood pressure. All you have to do is just pour a little bit more water on top of this, just to make sure you're getting everything out. And what you want to do is squeeze, and then you get all of it out. You can drink this over, put it in the refrigerator to cool, and then you drink it, or you can just put a cube or two of ice on it and you drink it. You don't need more than a glass or two per day. Always try to drink it before you eat, like a half an hour or an hour before you have your meal. And this is also good to it's a good colon cleanse to open up your appetite. And that's it. I have a lot more to go, but this is it. This is a finished product. My green drink. There you go. I'm gonna taste it. Refreshing and nice. I can taste the ginger, the cucumber. Also, I'm not a celery person, but the celery, I didn't taste the flavor in this one at all. So it's really good. I mostly taste the cucumber and the apple for a taste, and I also taste a lot of ginger. So that's good. Very refreshing and nice. You should try it. So again, it's kale, dandelion. I'm from Jamaica, so dandelion, we all use it. Ginger for flavor, a little bit of honey if you prefer, spinach, celery, cucumber. There you go. And that's it. And you know, you can use pineapple if you want, or strawberries, mangoes, anything you want, just for flavor. But I use apple today. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you learned something from it. Mainly, this is good for high blood pressure, cholesterol, good for your immune system. This celery alkaline your body, which fight inflammation. Ginger also is good for illnesses, pain, stress. And all of this combined give you vitamins and all the minerals you need. And it give you a little protein too, but just a little. And yeah. So this is my drink, guys. I hope you enjoy. It's my first time doing a live making my green drink. So I hope you enjoy it. Please follow me, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please go and try it and tell me how you like it so far. Refreshing and nice. I'm going to take a sip. Oh, so good. Look at it. So thanks for watching, guys.